Hello, my name is Carmen
and Cristobal,
and we're going to talk about the case 154/2002 of the Constitutional Court.
The case is about a boy called Marco that fell off his bicycle, and he's 13 years old, and he needed a blood transfusion, and her fathers were witnesses of Jehovah.
So when he went into the hospital, the medical body said that he needed a transfusion of blood, and because of the religion, the parents of the boy didn't want to make the transfusion. That's why the body of the hospital tried to make it, and finally they appealed to the General Court and the Supreme Court, and they asked for the permission, as well as it was a necessity of the body of the boy. In fact, the permission was given, and they tried to make the transfusion, but the boy didn't want to make the transfusion because he was really believed in his religion. So he said that he didn't want it. With the negative of the parents and for him to make it, and because of the negative of the boy, the medical body didn't have any choice, so they sent him to home, and finally 10 days after the ingression into the hospital, he died. That's why the body of the hospital went to the Supreme Court to say that the parents were in charge of the homicide because they were murdering, not in the practical way, but they didn't give the choice to make the transfusion, so it was like an involuntary murdering. That's why the parents of the boy were sent into the prison. They were the sentence of the Supreme Tribunal was that they were guilty of they were guilty of the murder of the boy. They were asked for 2 years of prison, 2 years and 4 months each one. And finally, they wanted to avoid this prison guilty, so they asked the Constitutional Court to a change of the sentence, and they asked for an appeal of to the liberty of religion and the liberty of morals, because in a matter of fact they were defending it. That's why the Constitutional Court said that they were in fact not guilty, because they were defending the right to have a free religion and free moral. So they just avoided prison, and the final sentence was that they were free.
To search the law, we have entered to the Constitutional Court of Spain, and there we have gone to to search the advanced search to find the law, and in these words we have written our number of court.
So we have said that we have put that it's the number 154 of 2002, and we look for the Constitutional Court judgment, and there we find all the explanation of the judgment, and we can find the points of the law and all the explanation there in English, because it's up to the international treatment. And after that, we can find all the points that the Constitutional Tribunal has said about it, and the conclusion, and obviously the final sentence of the judgment, and that's how we can find the reference of the Constitutional Court judgment for that case. So that's it.
In this project we have learned a lot of things, such as it has been very productive for us, and we have learned how to search cases, and in this subject we have learned how to do things in the other virtual, to control it, and search laws in different databases, such as Westlaw, the BOE, and Tierra Blanc. We have learned the library, how to do things in the library, how to find books, and how to find certain certain documents, and and we have done a lot of complementary activities, such as the international law and the English law.
So that's why we expect to be to have a good mark and to be recognized, because we have worked a lot also in class, that we have made the works, and we have made the oral presentations, everything that was needed, and we have enjoyed really much this class and the subject, because it was really instructive. So we hope that you like the video, and that's all. Thank you.